da pawb! Bore da, and I hope you're excited and ready for our day of time at the safari. Iawn, cyn dechrau, dyn ni'n mynd I wneud yn siŵr bod digon o le o'ch gwmpas, make sure there's lots of space either side, forward and back. Gallwch chi cicio'ch coesau mewn pob direction, heb gwthio'n dim byd neu unrhyw un o gwmpas chi. That you've got water ready for later, and you've got a grown-up nearby just to keep you safe today. Iawn, dwi'n credu mae hwnna'n gyd dyn ni eisiau gwneud cyn dechrau. Felly, dyn ni wedi dechrau heddiw gyda'i gêm sy'n tipyn bach fel musical statues. It's a bit like musical statues. So we're going to be out on our safari, searching for animals, but we don't want to scare them away, do we? So whenever we hear that there's an animal close by, the music's going to stop and we're going to freeze and stay really, really still so that nobody can find us. Good, we don't want to get eaten by lions already, do we? Yeah. Music, please, cerddoriaeth, os gwelwch yn dda. Okay, dyn ni'n mynd I dechrau gan cerdded, sneaking around. Hurry. Neud yn siŵr bod chi'n cymryd lan gyd o'r stafell to make sure you pick up the whole room. Okay, I think we can go a little bit faster now. I think the coast is clear. So let's take a little walk, just a bit faster. Aros yn llonydd, just in case those lions come. Let's go again. Da iawn chi. Tro nesaf, dyn ni'n mynd I esgyrso ni'n fel coeden, neu falle stone on the floor. So we're going to pretend to either be trees or stones on the floor. Yeah. Okay, so you may see Reading now, just a little bit faster. Taking up the whole space, dodging. Bod yn llonydd iawn, as still as you can possibly be. And let's just quickly check that we're I think we're good. Okay, I think we should go back to a creep and crawl then, because there could be a lion around the corner at any point. Flying. Let's back it up a little bit. It's heaven. You're heaven. Achos dwi'n credu falle Matthew rhywle o gwmpas ni, so now we're just going to sneak away from those lions. Coast clear. We're going to go back to a run. As still as you can be. Skip ya. Okay, dyn ni'n mynd I crawlio. We're going to crawl across the floor. Let's stay down low. we're not seen by predators. Ydych chi'n gallu crawlio? Can you crawl with me? Get harder. Llonydd. Da iawn. Let's cael tipyn bach o ddŵr. I'm certainly feeling warm already, but I am wearing my best furs today. Yeah. Nesaf, dyn ni'n mynd i Botswana. So, dyn ni'n mynd i Africa, i Botswana, a dyn ni'n mynd ar safari. Edrych mas am Big Five. The Big Five. There's lions, there's leopards, there's buffalo, there's rhinos, and there's one more. Elephants, of course. We're going to have a look for all of those animals. Iawn, felly, cerddoriaeth, please. Dwi'n mynd i sefyll yn dal fel giraff. Mor dal i gallu bod. A wedyn, mor fach ydych chi'n gallu bod. All like a giraffe. And then hiding from that lion. Lara. Right there, we're going to be angry cat. Puppy cat. Belly down. You held me down, but I got out. Caroline. Thank you, music person, but we don't need to be musical statues anymore. Ready, 'cause I've had enough. Oh, stop, eh? Did you mean the edge of one? Peeping, did you see anything? Stand tall like a giraffe. Hit me off. I am. Dyn ni'n mynd i rolio fel armadillo now. So mynd ar ein cefnau, rolio. Alan, rolio. Cael eich cefn ar y llawr. Mewn pil. Dau mwy. Kevin, angry cat, happy cat. Feeling so heavy. A beth am ymestyn fel car? Ymestyn braidd mewn proses. Cael stretch bach. Da iawn. Da fel tro? Armadillos! And he's up like a meerkat. Diane, peeking out from the corner. Diane. Yankee. I would love to see those videos of you guys rolling like armadillos. That was brilliant. Iawn, tipyn bach o ddŵr. A nesaf, dyn ni'n mynd I aros yn Botswana. A dyn ni'n mynd I edrych mas am lleopard. We're going to look out for some leopards. Did you know leopards can run up to 58 kilometres an hour? Felly, dyn ni'n mynd I edrych at rhedeg nawr. Mor gyflym ych gallu mynd, iawn? Okay. Change your cornel ystafell. Cael tyma bach o ble o blaen I, a little bit of space in front of you to go. And all. And my darling. Diane, the rhino now. Do you have to make hair? Can you make a horn of a rhino? That my love was an addiction when we came. Our love is strong. You up for that? When you go, you're gone forever. You string along. You string along. Ready? You come and go. Carrie. Red, gold, and green. Red, gold, and green. Weithiau, dyn ni'n gallu ffeindio crocodile yn yr hwnt. Felly, dyn ni'n mynd I fynd o dan y ddŵr. A wedyn, yn sydyn, dyn ni'n mynd I step to lawr. Step. A snap. Ti'n gallu gwneud snap gyda rhan arall o'r corff. Can you do a snap with a different body part? Without conviction, I'm a man who doesn't know how to sell the contradiction. You come and go, you come and go. Henry, beth am sefyll? You come and go. So down at the crocodile. Yeah, try popeth gyda'r gilydd. Dwi'n mynd I ready. You come and go. You come and go. Here? Love it will be the colors of life, my dream. Red, gold, and green. Red, gold, and green. Come, 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 chameleon. You come and go. You come and go. Love it will be the colors of life, my dream. Red, gold, and green. Red, gold, and green. Diane, sigla ma. Diane, hey! Loads of crocodiliad. We've got Maisie and Bracken, who says she loves my onesie. Oh, thank you, Maisie. It's very warm. Lovely. Iawn. Nesaf, dyn ni'n mynd I fynd i'r jungle. A dyn ni'n mynd I gweld anifeiliaid gwahanol nawr. Dyn ni ddim mewn Botswana ddim moyn. Dyn ni mewn y jungle nawr. A dyn ni'n mynd I edrych mas am mwnciad. Dyn ni'n mynd I edrych mas am tiger. A dyn ni'n mynd I edrych mas am lot o anifeiliaid. Eitha bach nawr. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lions sleep. Fel Highland Zebra, Highland Zebra. In the jungle, the quiet jungle. Gan o gwmpas y coeden. Lot o coeden I don't know. Dyn ni'n mynd i neud o, cyddio ti o'r coeden.
The peaceful village, the lion sleeps tonight. Hear the village, the lion sleeps tonight.
A dyn ni'n mynd i mynd lan y reeds. We're going to climb the reeds of the tree. A wedyn neud o coeden i coeden. Dring o lan.
Hush, my darling, don't fear, my darling, the lion sleeps tonight. Hush, my darling, don't fear, my darling.
Edrych mas am y tiger ynde. Ni'n mynd i cyddio. Yn dawel ac yn dawel. Ac aros. A dyna lan! Sleeping tigers. A dyna lan! Tigers waiting for their lunch. Dyn ni'n mynd i dawnsio fel monkeyod nesaf. We're going to dance like monkey. To dance monkey. See what I did there? Felly mae monkeyod yn eithaf cheeky, but they're quite cheeky monkeys. So we're going to swing from rope to rope.
To stop me dead while I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh,
And they have been known to throw bananas. Look at these happily bananas.
And oh my, I like your style. Ooh, you make me wanna try. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So
Felly,
dance for me, oh, oh.
hanging from the trees.
Never seen anybody do the things you do before.
Happily banana.
Move for me, eh, eh. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again.
Yeah, that's nesaf. Dyn ni'n mynd i wneud monkey drags.
Walking by,
Dyn ni'n rhoi un llaw lawr.
take my
A dyn ni'n mynd i
hand and look me
dod
in
ar
my
coesau
eyes.
dan ni. So we take a hand out, we bring our legs underneath us.
But you just beg to see me dance just one
Da
more
iawn,
time.
o gwmpas y stafell.
Ooh, I sing to every time. And oh my, I like your style.
Da iawn, rhoi y gyd gyda'i gilydd.
You make me wanna
Hongian o'r coeden.
And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, oh, oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before.
Bananas.
They say, move for me, eh, eh. And when you're done, I'm there to do it all again.
Monkey drags.
Dance for me, oh, 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 oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, eh, eh. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again.
Da iawn. O'r top eto, hongian o'r coeden. Yn araf nawr. Taflu'r bananas. Ac yn gyfnod
Never seen anybody do the things you do before.
yn araf.
Move for me, eh, eh.
Gyflym.
When you're done, I'll make you do it all again.
Monkey drags.
anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, hey, hey. When you're done, I'll make you do it all again.
Ah, da iawn, monkeys. Tipyn bach o ddŵr.
Allan y môr, mae'r rhosys cochion. Allan y môr,
Dyn ni'n mynd i gorffen gyda safari mewn
Allan
the
y
sea.
môr,
We're going to do an under the sea safari, an ocean safari to finish. So let's swim out to the deepest part of the ocean.
Llawn yw'r môr o sŵn drachegin. Llawn yw'r wy o wyn a melyn. Llawn yw'r coed o saer a blodau. Llawn o gariad, merch o'i funud.
Beth am Ffranclo?
Allan y môr,
Fel jellyfish?
carreg wastad.
Has got jelly?
Llebi mewn siarad gair am cariad. Oedd ei ti hon fydol fy lili ac am besrigir o'r rosmari. Allan y môr mae'r rhosys cochion. Allan y môr mae lilies gwynion. Allan y môr mae nghariad dynau.
Fel y tonnau? Like the
A
waves.
chodi'r bore.
Da iawn chi. O, dyn ni wedi gwneud loads heddiw. We did loads today. Da iawn chi. A na i gweld chi wythnos nesaf. See you next week and enjoy World Book Day.